there, welcome to Woody Acres Homestead. Today we got our 4 chicks and we had them in the basement in our galvanized tub, and they're getting all their feathers in. It's time to put them outside. It's getting warmer, and yeah, they're going to be pretty happy in about 10 minutes when we put them out in the outdoor coop. Let's get these girls, hopefully all girls, out there, get them running in some fresh air. And this is how we start them. This is how we start every batch. We got the heat lamp hanging. We got a little brooder down there if need be. Sometimes we run both when they're very young. And we kind of wean them off of it. I shut off the brooder last night and get them ready. It's going to be about 50 degrees tonight out there. But again, all they're pretty much down is off. They got their feathers and they're ready to go. All right, we got the small coop already. We bought this a year or two ago at Orscheln's, which is now Tractor Supply, and it's worked well for the babies up to about 2 or 3 months, and then we move them to the big coop. We're going to start them in there tonight, and you know, hopefully they'll be running around by tomorrow, getting some sunshine, and this is their first taste of freedom outside, first sunshine, so they're going to love this. They're about 4.5 weeks old, and in the winter we would have kept them out another 2 or 3 weeks downstairs, but it's warm and they're going to be fine. And there they go. Their first minutes outside, getting some real sun, fresh air, and on grass. Love seeing them get out here and being real chickens. And I'll probably have to, the first couple days we usually got to corral them, put them back in the coop. That goes on for the first week or two, and after that they learn that the inside of that coop is their home, and they will go in there at night. That little ramp kind of spooks them at first. I did put some sandpaper on my ramp to give them more grip. I've noticed the young ones slip on it a bit. That's it. We're all wrapped up here. The chicks are now outdoors in the mini coop, and like I said, this will probably go for about 2 months, and then when they get big enough, we'll mix them up with the big ones.